Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And what would you think if I told you you get email on an iPhone like this without any internet? You can. You just need a couple of things. First of all, you need the Radiomail app, which is over there. You can find it in the iOS App Store. Then you need, let's say, a handy talkie, just as Yesu as an example. You'll need some kind of TNC, for instance, this Mobilinkd TNC4, which LB5JJ was kind enough to let me borrow for this video and a couple more videos. I'm going to do a deep dive into this TNC, but today we're going to look at the Radiomail app for iPhone and how that works. And while I am talking, I'm going to show you what happens over there, so you can just watch what happens. It's not live, but it's in real time how you connect to a Winlink server through your radio. So that works actually pretty well. It's pretty easy. The radio is hooked up through my antenna on my roof because I'm a little bit far away from the Winlink node. So I'm not using the built-in rubber ducky here, but nonetheless, if you are out on the road, you can probably use any handheld Yagi. You can use a better 2-meter antenna. You can use the antenna on your car, whatever. But it saves you the hassle of having to hook up a computer, having to hook up a HF radio, and do Winlink through HF when you're on the road. So it seems like a halfway decent solution. I haven't tried the app really that much, though. I tried it a little bit, and it's prone to crashing. It's a tad bit expensive, but it's got a lot of great potential. So absolutely, I think this is a definite winner. And why Winlink? Why email through radio? I've talked about this before. Let's say there's an instance where internet breaks down in your area, such as bad weather, natural disaster, anything like that. You can get an email to people outside the quote-unquote disaster area to tell them that you're okay, and probably more important, that you might not be okay. So it's a way of emergency communications. And I really hope you like this short demo of Radiomail for iPhone. If you want to try it out, be my guest. You can even do it through the internet, through Telnet, but that kind of defeats the purpose of doing email by radio, doesn't it? That's it for this time. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and you're watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. If you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below. You can either support me on Patreon, or you can just buy me a coffee, or even just clicking that like button. That helps the YouTube algorithm promote my channel. So thank you for watching. Until next time, 7-3.